Hey guys, this is Rayanne with Shaka Designs. Just going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to integrate your Mailchimp account with Wix. A little while ago, actually it was probably longer than that, Wix used to have an app in their app market where you could integrate Mailchimp with your Wix website, and they got rid of that. But they brought it back in a sense, but in an even better way. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So basically, you just need to log into your Wix account and go to your site dashboard. You don't want to be in the editor for this. And on this left-hand side here, you'll click on Marketing Tools. And then you will click on Marketing Integrations. And from here, they have a ton of other integrations you can check out, but here is the Mailchimp one, so just click on Go for it. And from here, it'll kind of walk you through how to connect it, and it gives you some disclaimers here that only new contacts will be added, so anything that's been added before, if you currently have subscribers on your website through like Get Wix subscribers, they will not be added to your Mailchimp list, so just know that. You're going to want to export them probably before you do this connection, so just kind of read through this before you do anything, but I'll show you how to do this. So if I go to Connect Contacts, I want to have my new subscribers be pushed to a Mailchimp list. Now, one thing with this is you can have this do a bunch of different things. So you can add anybody who is a new Wix contact, whether they purchase something, they subscribe to your list, something like that. Only brand new subscribers if they're opting into a email list. Contact form submissions, that one is kind of clear, it speaks for itself. And then new customers, people who make a purchase on your site. So you have options to choose from. I'm going to just stick with the new subscribers, so people that are subscribing to a email list. And then I say, okay, well, which Mailchimp list do I want them to be able to go to once I do this? So I'm just going to do website opt-ins. That's the list that I want it as, and I'm going to hit connect. So there we go. I have already logged into Mailchimp, so it may have a little pop-up window for you to log into Mailchimp first, obviously. So that might just be an extra step, but that's how you do that. You can add more. So if I wanted to add somebody, that purchased a product, I can do just new customers who purchased a product and put them to a whole different list where they would get, very specific content for that. So that's how you do it. Here's the second part to this, just in case you don't know what type of subscriber contact form you need to add onto your site for this to actually work. For instance, the list that I set up was for pretty much just an opt-in that I would have on my website, for them to just opt in to my email list for general updates. This is not for somebody that's purchased a product or submitted a contact form. So basically, I will just be adding the Wix Get Subscribers form. So what I've done is I've gone into my site editor, and on this left-hand side here, I'm going to click this plus button for add. I'm going to go down to contact, and then it's this third little dot down here. It's the Get Subscribers box. So I'm going to put that on here. So you can obviously edit this to make it look like however you want, go through the settings and set all that up. I'm not going to go through that right now. I just kind of want to show you how this works. So basically, once you add this to your site, again, this specific opt-in will only work for people that you want to opt in to a form. So this one right here, this is just to get people to opt in and subscribe to that list. So anytime somebody comes and fills this out, they will now go to that list that I have set up.